This is the Rebuild by Design Meadowlands Flood Prevention Program. The Meadowlands is a marsh or swamp area surrounded by 5 towns in the state of New Jersey. The purpose of the Meadowlands project is to help prevent the flooding in the Meadowlands as well as the surrounding areas. This is an urban community, and we want to help protect the uniqueness of this development as well as the biological community and the wildlife. Another major concern this project will address is the prevention of the diseases and spread of diseases as well as the threat of damage to property. This project is an eco-friendly results-oriented project in that we want to prevent more damage to the environment. So there is another part of this project, the hybrid proposal, which incorporates old materials, those which can be salvaged and reused or repurposed, such as cement and old piping, with new materials which will be brought in, such as PVC piping, which is thought to be more durable. And part of the new materials will be the vegetation or vegetative filtration system, which will not only clean the water and the soil from contaminants and bacteria, but it will also hold the water away and help push it back away from the communities surrounding the Meadowlands. This will cover a large surface area that will prevent the watersheds and flooding, not allowing water to stand for long periods of time, which can prevent bacteria from growing. There are some adverse impacts of this project, which can be anticipated, of course, with any project of this size, and they are unforeseen underground contamination. There are many scientists working in this project to continuously test the water and soil to monitor any contamination. If there should be any contamination, the residents will be notified immediately of how this will affect them, and even more importantly, it will be contained, and the Department of Environmental Protection has measures in place for treating such water and soil contamination. There is also the adverse impact of noise due to the construction of this system, which is unavoidable. However, measures shall also be taken by alerting the residents of the dates of the construction as well as the anticipated times, so as to give the communities ample enough time to prepare themselves for this inconvenience. All along the way, we are working and have been working with the county and the government leaders in these areas to make certain that everyone is aware of what is being done and why. The benefits of this project do outweigh the temporary inconveniences in that this will stop further damage to property and land. The Meadowlands is a very unique ecosystem because not only is it a developed urban area, but also home to varied species of wildlife, even many endangered species, which this project will help protect, as well as improve the quality of those living here. The Meadowlands project will stop flooding and prevent water from collecting and standing, which can cause serious diseases and illnesses due to water contamination, such as bacteria we know as E. coli, salmonella poisoning, and Legionnaire's disease, which this standing water can grow. If these bacteria get into the water which the residents use to bathe and cook and drink, it can be fatal, as these bacteria are dangerous when ingested or inhaled. The Meadowlands project has set out to eliminate these risks by addressing the dangers in standing floodwaters and improving filtration of rainwater through the vegetation project that we have sought out, and by bringing in new materials as well as using the old. Thank you for your time.